Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Wednesday, April 10th, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar weighted put call ratio on April and May, we have neutral readings with 25 and 44% of the total premiums paid. On June, we have a bearish reading with 20% of the total premiums paid. Overall, we have a neutral reading on the dollar weighted put call ratio. For SPX, here we have the daily chart as you could see here, and we got here to 1587. Yesterday we talked about 1592. We are 5 points away from our target. We were 19 handles today, up 1.22% for the day. Very bullish action here for SPX so far. For the Qs, here we have a year-to-date high for the Qs. We touched 70.1 here. We get closing almost at the highs here. We've been neutral here for the Qs. For the IWM, we talked about yesterday not being able to make a new high for the day, for the year, sorry. And here basically the same thing happening today. We have a 1.8% up for the day, but still we're not being able to make a new high for the year. If you come here, we're still having trouble. I think we're not going to be making a new high, and if we do, it's not going to be a substantial one. I don't think we're going to go above 95. That's what I'm thinking here. For IWM, we have a 1.8%, which is a very big, nice update today. But we've been lagging here. This has been a market leader overall, so that's what I'm thinking here. For gold, here we have a very bad day today, down 1.7% for the day. You can see here, yesterday we talked about this downward trend line. Perfect short opportunity. Here we have it. We have been short gold for a while now, and I've been looking for a test of this previous low here of 149.44 and eventually coming here to 148.30s. So that's what I'm looking here so far. For SLV, also down day for SLV, down 1.3% for the day. And as you can see here, I thought we had 1.5% upside still on SLV. It came out short, and I think we're going lower. I think we're testing this low here of 25.74 and eventually going lower. Pretty bearish on the metals. It could not even get a 3-day pop here because they sold it. I don't like it at all. Yesterday we talked about SLW. Here we have it here. We were down today 5.16%. We talked about an opportunity to getting short. We talked maybe about getting shorter at higher prices. It did not have the opportunity to go to higher prices. So bearish here on SLW. If we go to Apple, we broke the 150-week moving average to the upside, and then we were able to rally 2% today here. Let's look here for a test of this 50-day moving average. It's going to be important at 446. And as you can see, it's now trying to turn around to the upside. So we're going to have to see if we break that. Maybe we could break this high of 469. So very tradable stock here. Once it breaks, it goes here. I'm looking for a test of this 446. If we break to the upside, I would try to get those 20 points for the 469. So that's what I'm looking here. If we fail at that level, we could obviously short it again to a 420. So that's what we're looking here with Apple. Very nice tradable stock. On Google, here we have it up 1.6%, and very important bounce here of this trend line here. We went long, got a couple of very nice winners here. We talked about coming back to this 797 level, a 50-day moving average, and looks like we're on that way going there. Netflix, here we have the daily chart for Netflix, and as you can see here on the Netflix chart, we were today down 2% for the day. We bounced yesterday, and here today we have a down day. The important thing here, yesterday we talked about shorting it higher. We could not get higher. I think you're going to have better entries on the short side. So I'm going to pass here, very neutral. Although I think it's going lower, I would not start a new trade here. Goldman Sachs. Very nice day here for Goldman Sachs, 149.46, up 2% for the day here. And the important thing here is that we are still not breaking this 50-day moving average, which is important. I think we are going to break it on earnings, but still it's not here yet. Maybe you could try to enter in a short here with a very tight stop, but again, looks like pretty bullish here. The market looks pretty solid, so even maybe just try to pass here.